Marijuana and hashish are products of the hemp plant Cannabis sativa. Cannabis makes you feel high, relaxed, contented, and slightly intoxicated. Under normal conditions, the neurotransmitter anandamide is passed back and forth between neurons. Cannabis mimics the neurotransmitter and is broken down into the body. Cannabis stimulates the brain's reward centre via the neurotransmitter dopamine. Cannabis cannot release more dopamine by itself, so it must use the neurotransmitter GABA, which normally inhibits an excessive release of dopamine. The effect that dopamine has on the reward centre can make a person dependent on cannabis, even though less dopamine is released. Cannabis affects the hippocampus of the brain, interferes with short-term memory, the hypothalamus which induces hunger, and the cerebellum which affects coordination.